I know you've seen my drawings and wonder how I avoid mistakes and how I made my pen drawing look so smooth without any ink blot. Ink blot will ruin your pen drawing. Let me show you tips on how to avoid ink blot while drawing with pen. So you notice my pen drawing is very smooth and you wonder how I struggled with ink blot in the past. Trust me, ink blot will really frustrate you and will make you hate everything about pen drawing. Okay, the first tip is a little bit expensive, although it's something anyone can do and can certainly afford to. It's just for you to use many pen while drawing. Using 3 to 4 pen can reduce the amount of ink blot occurring. All you have to do is just change each pen for every 2 to 3 minutes of drawing. If this is too expensive for you to do, don't worry, there's other simpler solution. Another way is by using extra sheets of paper to collect the ink blots while drawing. This is far the easiest way to avoid ink blot because it's what I mostly use for my pen drawings. You can see me doing this on most of my videos. Yes, just use a sheet of paper. The other way I would recommend the most is by using toilet papers. It removes ink blot more efficiently than the rest. All you have to do is, after drawing for some time, just wipe the tip of the pen thoroughly and the pen will be clean as new. You can place a little piece of the toilet paper close to your drawing for quick access. Toilet papers have really saved my life, not only in the toilet but in my art career as well. And trust me, it can save you too. Like this video and subscribe to get more tips and tricks about pen drawing.